What's going on, people? Now, it's interesting to say the least, given what has taken place over the last few hours. And, I think this is down to what has taken place between America, Canada, and Mexico. Justin Trudeau, he announced that he was going to put tariffs on America. And I think in the end, it's going to backfire. All he's done really is dug himself a deeper hole, and he's trying to take Canada down to the grave with him. And all it's going to do really is it's going to lead to more businesses shutting down in Canada and potentially, more people losing their jobs. And, it's uncalled for, really. I think he has shown himself to be a weak leader, and he'll end up bending the knee in the end. And Donald Trump and America, as usual, will end up coming out on top. And so anyway, this video is not about politics. What I'll do is I'll break down the price action of Cardano using Elliott Wave Theory. And in the previous video, I did mention that we were tracking our wave C. And by the time I was recording the video, we were in our wave B. Now, obviously, given what has taken place over the last few hours, this structure has now been invalidated. Now, in the same video, I did mention that we could potentially be seeing a bigger ABC structure to the downside, considering our smart money concept was indicating that there was a weak low at the 85-cent region. And as you can see by smart money concept, the 85-cent region was broken. So the structure, as you can see by the BOS, that's shown highlighted at the moment. And so in the end, that's what ended up playing out. Now, in terms of our macro, we were tracking a bigger 5-wave move to the upside. And given that this now wave 4 has now actually fallen short of our wave 1, then this wave 5 structure has now been invalidated. Now, to make that more clear for you guys, what I'll do is I'll go on the daily chart. And so as you can see by this wave 4 has now fallen short of our wave 1. So I think this wave 5 structure has now been invalidated. And I think now what's playing out at the moment is a ABC structure. And so if I delete this, just so I can make it more clear for you guys. So you have a bigger ABC structure that's forming. So you have your A, your B wave, and then your C wave. And then, like I talked about in Saturday's video, which I didn't think was going to play out, but it did in the end, you have a ABC structure like so. And then we'll end up seeing another ABC structure to the upside, like so, along those lines. Now, what we can do now is internalize what's actually taking place within our wave C. Now, two things could be playing out at the moment, where you have a 5-wave move, where you have your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then your wave 5. Or you could have a WXY forming, where you have your W, X, and Y. And before I internalize what's going on within our wave C, what I'll do is I will check to see if our minimum targets have been met. And so if I use the Fibonacci retracement and bring this down, so usually our wave C falls anywhere between the 1 and 1.236 region of our wave A. And so as you can see by this wick, we do fall within that region. Like so. Now there is more room to the downside. Only time will tell again if we break lower than our 50-cent region that we'd reached. And so what's interesting to note as well, since we are on our daily chart, is the price of ADA at the moment is below our 200 EMA and our 50 EMA, which screams, bearish. However, smart money concept is indicating that there is a weak high, so there is plenty of room to the upside, and this is essentially an opportunity to be buying in. and there is a strong low too at the 27-cent region. And on the stochastic RSI, it is indicating that there is again, more room to the upside because we are currently oversold. And so I think long term we are very bullish, but short term I think the bears have the momentum. Now if I go down a touch on the hourly chart, smart money concept is indicating that there is a weak low. So again, there is potential that we will fall below our 50-cent region that we reached. And again, we are below our 200 EMA and 50 EMA, so we are bearish at the moment. On our stochastic RSI, we are currently reaching that region of being overbought, and so there is some room to the downside. And so again, only time will tell really with regards to where our price will fall. Now, if I just quickly go on the 4-hour chart, again, smart money concept is indicating that there is a weak low. And so there is more room to the downside. And on the stochastic RSI, we are showing as being oversold. And so, again, maybe this is an opportunity for people to be buying in at these low prices before we see bigger moves to the upside on the macro. Now, that's crypto. Crypto is volatile. You never know what's going to happen. No one really anticipated that week of a leader, Justin Trudeau, announcing that he's going to put tariffs on America. And again, all he's done really is dug himself a deeper hole. Now, he's not even going to be running for the elections, and all he's done really is, again, dug Canada into a deeper grave, and he's just going to judge him. And yeah, that's crypto for you. It is volatile. You never know what's going to happen. And yeah, you are seeing, some panic that's taking place between retailers now. They are being shaken out at the moment. In fact, I did see online somewhere that a large institution has been purchasing some Bitcoin worth billions of dollars. In fact, Michael Saylor even mentioned that he was purchasing, if I'm not mistaken, some Bitcoin at these low prices. And so, that's what separates the two. You have whales who are known to be making money, who are known to make money, have a history and record of making money, who are, seeing this as an opportunity to be buying in, whereas you have retailers are panic selling, and they'll end up regretting it, in my personal opinion. Now, this is not financial advice, this is just my personal opinion. And yeah, I do think, again, I keep sounding like a broken record, this is an opportunity to be buying at these low prices before we see bigger moves to the upside. And so yeah, that's just my quick update anyway, guys. So thank you for once again tuning in and watching my videos. Feel free to subscribe and give it a like for more of these updates. So stay tuned. Thank you, guys.